how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here once you're inside the settings section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and now here in this section you can just tap on this option that says creator tools and controls. And now here in this section you can simply scroll down, and there at the bottom you will be able to see the option labeled as switch account type. So just tap on it. And now here in this section a pop-up menu will appear. From that you can just tap on switch to personal account and confirm it by tapping on that button that says switch to personal account again. And now here once you tap on it, you just have to follow the on-screen prompts and you will be turned off from professional account on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.